Hello children, how are you all? Fine? Now welcome to Environmental Studies class. Take out your cherry book, semester 1, page number 174, chapter number 6. And lesson name is Keeping Clean and Healthy. Children, if we want to be healthy and strong, we should keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Na? So, today we are going to learn about how to keep clean and healthy. Now you tell me, why is it important to be healthy? When your body is healthy, you grow nicely. You can have lots of energy, which means you can play with your friends, study with focus and be happy. So students, to be healthy and strong, it is important to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Now we'll start first from our body. Okay? There are some small germs and viruses everywhere. They are tiny living things which you cannot see with your eyes, but they can make us sick. So to keep them away, we should take bath daily, then wear clean undergarments and clothes. Wash your hands. Do you know when and how many times you should wash your hands? You must wash your hands with soap and water before eating your food or snacks. And every time after you come back from outside, like playing or outing, cut your nails regularly and keep them short. Okay? Because germs are likely to be in your nails. Brush your teeth every day and rinse your mouth after eating food or snacks. Wash your hair regularly. You should comb your hair properly every day. So students, keep clean, keep healthy. Keep the windows open so that fresh air and sunlight can come in. Do you know sunlight can kill the germs? We should mop and sweep the floors every day. We should keep the toilet and kitchen clean as well. Now students, let us see how we can keep the classroom clean. We should always put a pencil shaving after sharpening pencils in the dustbin. We should throw pieces of paper or any other rubbish in the dustbin. We should not scribble or write on the school walls. Students, it is also important to keep the public places and our neighborhood clean. We should never throw any kind of garbage on street. Always search for dustbin and throw it there. So students, when you go outside and buy chips or chocolates, you should always throw the wrapper in the dustbin. We should never pluck flowers or destroy plants around us, because plants and trees give us fresh air to breathe, and we must try to plant more trees. So children, let us recall how to keep clean and healthy. Okay? To be healthy and strong, we should keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Second, we must keep our body clean. Third, we must air our rooms and dust, sweep and mop the floors every day. Fourth, we must keep our classroom neat and tidy. Fifth, We must take care of the places in our neighborhood.